How to fix Bluetooth not showing in Device Manager on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. To start off with, let's check if the Bluetooth devices is showing the toggle on and off option on your Bluetooth store. So for that, you can just open Devices and Bluetooth. Then check if the toggle on button is working or not. If not, here are the solutions that you can try. First of all, go to Troubleshoot Settings and open for the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. You can access it in Settings, Update in Security, Troubleshoot and Bluetooth. Once this is done, you can view any problem or detect the solutions for it as well. This should probably fix the issue. If not, let's move on to the third solution. So for that, what you can do is, you have to visit on services.system and then click on Any. After that, go on for searching Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service and make sure that you have its properties and the startup type is selected as automatic. Do the same for the Bluetooth support service as well. Once this is done, make sure to restart your computer and this should probably fix the issue. However, if the issue still persists, consider potential hardware issues. So for this, shut down the system, remove the power cable, press the power key for 30 seconds and then reconnect to the power. Also make sure to remove all the USB devices and restart the system. This way, the Bluetooth should be functional now. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.